This is what I am doing. I am examining a bone marrow aspirate smear, and at the same time, parallelly, I am using this Microsoft Copilot as my assistant. I am giving it history, I am dictating it history, and it is pretty good at capturing the dictation. So, I have given it hemogram findings, age, and everything, and it is already it is saying okay. So I asked it, now I'm going to examine the bone marrow and you act as my assistant and give me feedback. And here is the response from the co-pilot. Certainly, let's analyze the bone marrow findings together. Based on the information you have provided, here are some key points. So it has discussed about pancytopenia. It has also suggested that MCV less means microcytic anemia, and then it says that otherwise if the hemogram is unremarkable, this means are within normal limit. Now let us proceed with the bone marrow examination. As you examine the bone marrow aspirate, pay attention to the following aspects. That check the cellularity, check the morphology, check the erythroid precursors, look for dyserythropoiesis. In myeloid precursors, look for dysgranulopoiesis. In megakaryocytes, evaluate their number and morphology. Assess the iron stores. This is the information given by the co-pilot. Now I told it what I am seeing under the bone marrow, and when I described my bone marrow findings in detail, it told about the differential diagnosis. I saw mild erythroid hyperplasia with micronormoblastic erythropoiesis. So it gave me the differential diagnosis of iron deficiency anemia, thalassemia, sideroblastic anemia, lead poisoning, and anemia of chronic disease. Sufficient megakaryocytes which I saw in the bone marrow led to this particular differential diagnosis by this co-pilot, that is ITP, MDS, essential thrombocythemia. So then it looked for, I told that leukopoiesis and myeloid maturation are normal. Absence of blast cells with normal myeloid maturation is reassuring, it said. Leukemia, acute myeloid chronic would typically show abnormal blasts. That's what it said. But it did not give me complete diagnosis. So I asked it what additional investigation should I do to make a definitive diagnosis. So it suggested you examine the peripheral blood smear, do the iron studies, HB electrophoresis, reticulocyte count, etc. So it's a good suggestion that is given by Microsoft Copilot, and this is how we can use Microsoft Copilot as our assistant when we are examining some microscopic slides, whether it is peripheral smear or even histology or cytology. It will definitely give us some clues which can be of help to us.